AccountsPrep is AutoEntry's newest add-on, designed specifically for accountants who work with sole traders or clients without accounting ledgers, especially those dealing with paper-based tax returns. It's available in the UK and Ireland and takes the hassle out of preparing annual accounts by automating most of the manual work. So what exactly does AccountsPrep do? It automatically pulls in bank statements, receipts and invoices, and then prepares a trial balance that you can easily export to your final account solution, saving you loads of time. Now let's walk you through AccountsPrep in just 5 simple steps.
Step 1. Set up AccountsPrep. Start by logging into AutoEntry. Go to Settings to purchase the subscription. Add your account details and enable the subscription to AccountsPrep. If the company isn't listed, click the Add Company button to create it, or simply select the relevant company. From the left-hand menu, select Integrate and connect AccountsPrep. Next, input the financial year and choose a chart of accounts template that fits your needs. To complete the setup, click here. Step 2. Before you start. Before importing bank statement data, take a moment to review the chart of accounts selected during the initial setup. This is where you can tailor the accounts to your needs by adding, editing, or deleting accounts as necessary. You can also import additional accounts if needed and set up default tax codes, so when you apply a nominal code to a transaction, the system automatically assigns the appropriate tax code for you. Next, head to Settings, where you can choose the default accounts used by AccountsPrep for automatic system postings. Additionally, you can manage and add tax codes, as well as set up additional analysis tags for transactions. Lastly, review the bank accounts sections to check all bank accounts. Add, delete, or rename them to suit the company's needs. For opening balances, we provide templates you can download, fill in, and import back into AccountsPrep for accurate reporting and compliance. Step 3. Import bank statement data. Go to the Banks tab and select Bank Statements. Pick the relevant bank account, then click Add Bank Statement Data. You can import data in 3 ways. Use AutoEntry Statement Capture to import previously extracted bank statements stored in AutoEntry. Import data using a CSV file, or enter the data manually on screen. In this example, we'll use AutoEntry Statement Capture. Choose the statement you'd like to extract from the drop-down list, choose the date range required, and the data will be ready for processing. Step 4. Process transactions. Once your data is imported, the transactions will appear in the Unposted tab. AccountsPrep automatically flags potential duplicates, allowing you to review and delete them with ease. You can sort the transactions by clicking on column headers, tailoring the view to your needs. To categorize transactions, use the checkboxes to select relevant entries. Double-click on the account column and choose the appropriate account from a drop-down menu. Apply tax rates, if needed, to ensure compliance. With AccountsPrep, you can search for specific transactions, enabling bulk processing and saving time on large statements. If you are unsure what account to assign a transaction to, simply flag it for other colleagues to pick up. AccountsPrep simplifies the process of managing complex transactions. Easily document transfers between bank accounts. For example, if you're recording a credit card payment, just click the Transfer button and select the relevant account. AccountsPrep will automatically search for a matching transaction. If no match is found, you can still proceed with the transfer, ensuring everything is properly tracked, even without a match. For transactions that need to be divided across multiple accounts or tax codes, simply split them for precise reporting. For clients who still rely on checks, AccountsPrep has you covered. Add or import them within the checks section. Then use the checks button to start matching them with transactions, simplifying check management and tracking. AccountsPrep automatically finds the match if there's one. Once you're satisfied with the data, click Post to move the transactions from the Unposted tab to the Posted tab. For clients with cash sales or expenses not reflected in bank statements, you can import them through the Cash Sales and Cash Expenses features. This is especially helpful for tax-registered clients needing to report tax accurately. You can also make journal adjustments, especially useful for off-statement data, in 3 different ways. Quick Journal Entry. For fast, simple adjustments, Standard Journal Entry. For more detailed entries, and Double Journal Entry, for balancing complex debits and credits. We've made it quicker and easier to add journals to AccountsPrep by enabling users to upload journals in bulk. Use one of the provided templates to compile your data. Then simply drag the file into Upload, give the journal a description, and to enter it into the system, click Post. Step 5. Generate reports and export data. Now that the data is processed, you can generate and export reports. Under Reports, you'll find a variety of exportable reports. Let's start with the Account Details report, which gives a detailed breakdown of activity for each nominal account. You can filter by account, search for specific transactions, and even edit them as needed. It also enables you to review flagged transactions and make any necessary adjustments. Exporting this report to Excel is simple. Just click the Export to Excel button to download it. Next, check out the Profit and Loss report, which displays figures for the selected reporting periods. You can compare up to 3 periods, depending on the data available in AccountsPrep. To export this report to Excel, click here. When you're ready to export data for your account's production, go to the Export Data option from the Reports list. Choose the format that matches your account's production software. If your software isn't listed, use the generic format for easy compatibility. Once you're satisfied with your settings, export the data, and it will automatically download to your computer's Downloads folder. Another valuable feature is the snapshot, which provides a clear graphical view of the account's performance. It's easy to understand and can be exported to PDF to conveniently share with the client. You've now learned how to make the most out of AccountsPrep.